Hello, Cotton Cuts enthusiasts. Thank you so much for joining us for this video. We are so excited to be able to open our Rosa's Holiday Your Way Notions gift box with you. We love putting together these things every year and being able to bring you things from all over the world, from lots of different places, from companies big and small. So what we're going to do is spend the next several days opening these boxes. We're going to show you each item and what's inside and why it's cool and special. However, if you have received one of them and you haven't opened these items yet, please, please, please stop your video now. Stop it, hit the pause button, close it, because I am going to be spoiling what is inside of these boxes. So this is what the box looks like, guys. If you do not want to see the contents, please stop the video, shut down YouTube, close all your notifications. We are going to take one video at a time and go through each item. So this is your final warning. All right, so now that you've been warned, we're going to open the next item from our Notions box. All right, so this is a super cute teal bag, and it says a few of my favorite things. So very clearly like a super cute reference to a song, but it says a few of my favorite things. And I'm going to give you guys a hint. This is every year we do something like this. This is always our 13th bonus item. And it's traditionally super cool things that are Cotton Cut swag that our members have liked throughout the year. So this one's a few of my favorite things. Let's go ahead and open it up. And what we have inside of this one, if I can open it. All right. So we've got a fantastic Cotton Cuts vinyl magnet. So this actually is on the back of my car. It's on the back of my husband's car. That's how I can tell his car in a parking lot. This can be stuck to a fridge. This can be stuck to, some people have stuck it to their sewing machines if they have metallic sewing machines. I don't know if I'd recommend that, but it works for them. You can also just stick on an idea board that you have in your crafting space to keep things on the wall. We love, love, love these. We also have two of our Cotton Cuts Quilting Truth pencils, two pencils. And so they always have witty, punny sewing sayings on this one. So this one says, "So in love with quilting," S-E-W, so in love with quilting. And then the other one says, "Stitch by stitch, love grows." I know we like the funny and we also like the sentimental. And then this is the one that people have been known to like jump through brick walls for. So we have two of our variegated pens that have Cotton Cuts on them. These are, I love these. These are super fine tip. I feel like I can get so many words on a page using these pens. They are fantastic. They are lovely. And all of the members, all the people that signed up for our Notions boxes are going to get two of them. So with that, I feel like these are truly, if I go year to year, these are truly some of my favorite things. So I hope you enjoy them as well. Hey, so now that you've seen what's inside of it, if you want to see what else we have, be sure to check our other videos on this channel. We're going to do one item per video. It was so much fun sharing all of this with you and why these are some of our favorite things from this year. So if you're interested in learning more about Cotton Cuts, simply go to cottoncuts.com to learn about all the crazy and cool things that we do throughout the year, more than just delivering cool notions to our people. We have our Puzzle Mystery Quilt program. We have all of our fabric memberships, all of our thread memberships. We do special programs throughout the year. So you are definitely going to want to like and subscribe this video in order to stay up to speed with all the new and awesome things happening at Cotton Cuts. Thank you so much for watching this, and bye now.